Good morning, my name is Engineer Piyush Pandey. Welcome to today's session of Motivational Skills. So the topic for today's discussion is the value of handouts during presentation. Ladies and gentlemen, handout is a document which is given to the participating members, to the audience, before the presentation starts. It is in the form of pamphlet, and in it crucial points related to your presentation are mentioned. Whatever you are going to discuss in your presentation, what is the topic of your presentation, certain points related to that are mentioned in those handouts in short form, so that it becomes easy for your audience to understand your presentation. They can set a connection between what you are speaking and what they are reading from those handouts. So it is a very crucial document. Now, what are certain crucial aspects that we should keep in our mind while preparing the handouts? Let me tell you. Now, if you can see this chart, it states value of handouts during presentation. Now, number 1 point says prepare them while preparing the presentation. Of course, we are preparing the presentation through PowerPoint mode. We prepare PowerPoint slides for our presentation. At the time when we are preparing the presentation, only at that time we should prepare the handouts also, because you are in a consistent process of gathering the material for your presentation. At the same time, you can mention all the necessary details in handouts also. So both these things, they get prepared at the same time, your PowerPoint slide plus your handouts. Second point says don't just print out your slides. Very crucial. Sometimes in order to give handouts to the participating members, what we do, we take photocopy of the PowerPoints that we have prepared. Now, what is the use of taking photocopy of the same PowerPoints which we are going to present? There is no difference. That's why this is a very unprofessional behavior. If you take the printouts of the same slide that you have prepared in PowerPoint and then you distribute it as handouts, this is absolutely bad, not good, ladies and gentlemen. Please avoid this. Third point says handouts must reflect your presentation. Now, what is the meaning of handouts must reflect your presentation? Whatever is there inside your presentation, all those crucial elements must be there in your handouts also. Your handouts should not be completely different from what you are presenting on PowerPoint, because it is related to the presentation that you are giving. That's why there should be similarity. Fourth point says add more information. Now we are certainly giving some information on our PowerPoint slide. We have certainly mentioned certain crucial aspects in our PowerPoint slide, and the audience is focusing on that PowerPoint slide. But when you give handouts, you must mention additional details which are not there in the PowerPoint slide, so that handout acts as an additional source of information related to the same topic that you are explaining. Fifth point says include references. Yes, of course, you are preparing your presentation material from certain book, certain magazine, certain online element. You might have used certain elements from YouTube, certain elements from speeches of some motivational speakers. You must mention all those things in the reference section of your handout. While preparing the handout, please mention all the references that you have taken while preparing the presentation, so that audience can also see those references and they can broaden their understanding, they can broaden their knowledge. Now, sixth point says make your handouts stand alone. Now, what is the meaning of making your handouts stand alone? Your handouts must have their own specific identity. They should be different from the PowerPoint slide that you are presenting. Now this is the repetition of same point that I have explained you a few minutes back, that handouts should be standalone. This is very crucial. Handouts should have their own identity. The handouts should be prepared in such a manner that if a person is not able to attend the presentation on time, suppose a person is not able to come to the auditorium on time, he is not able to come to your presentation on time, he came at the end of the presentation, still by reading the handouts, he can very well understand that what you have explained in the presentation. By reading the handouts, even an unaware person who has not participated in your presentation, he should also come to know that what you spoke. Handout must be prepared in such a manner. 7th point says provide blank spaces also. Now while preparing different points on handouts, please leave some blank spaces also between 2 points. Please leave some blank spaces also between 2 points that you are preparing in your handout, so that if audience wants to write something according to their own choice, they can write it over there. So handout in this way will act as a two-way sword, you can say. It can provide dual benefit to the audience. First, in those handouts, certain crucial points are mentioned by you, which audience can study, plus they can write according to their own choice also, because you have provided the blank space also. Now 8th point says distribute handouts at the start of the presentation. Now this is very crucial. Handouts must be given to the audience at the beginning of your presentation. Before starting the presentation, you must give the handouts. Handouts should not be given at the end of the presentation. Why they should be given at the beginning of the presentation? So that right from the beginning of the presentation, they can tally your points with what has been mentioned in the handouts. And they can establish a good coordination between what you have mentioned in the handouts and what points you are mentioning in your actual presentation. This coordination must be established so that audience can understand your point, your presentation in a better way. So that's all for today, ladies and gentlemen. I hope that you loved my today's video. Please subscribe my channel ER Piyush Pandey, Trainer BTech MBA, and please press the bell icon for constant updates. Thank you very much. Have a great day.